think he's gonna get it. Is he? Alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog of this YouTube channel. So today is another day and the boy decided they want to go out like my other friends. Can you hear the loud sound? Yeah, that's Ori. One thing about Ori is that he doesn't like coming to the north, that is Panjim, because of the Portland and bad traffic. But yet he's here today.
You can see why I don't like
And he destroyed his bike by getting himself dirty. He got it dirty though.
Yeah.
And so now the main thing that he's here for is to see the studio. So I'm going to quickly open it and show him around. So guys, the truth for Ori.
Dude, I came here how
Let's
long?
go see this.
I came here 4 months ago now.
Yeah. So what's your say on it?
Ground plus how many it is? How much it is?
There plus only one office is there.
Whose office?
Yeah, my office.
Hey, nice. I'm proud of you, bro.
Thanks, bro. Here the washroom is there.
Where?
Here down.
I'll go
Changing room. And on top is the main office.
How was the area of this?
64 with bathroom and all. Carpet area.
Not bad. It looks spacious. No? Because I think.
Yeah, because the height, no?
Will we put any furniture on here?
Slightly a little bit more. Like a couch or something. Main was the bar stool only, which I had to get. That's the first thing when Ori comes to Panjim, or if he wants to come to Panjim, he'll be like, guys, what can we do over here? So today we're going to do a bunch of things. Do stay tuned to the itinerary. Very minimalistic. Hopefully he enjoys.
I was all the way to play FIFA back in the days, but now I have a PS5, so I make him come there.
Yeah, that's a pain in the ass to go to Mapsa right now. But yeah, let's catch up with Bobby. Elton's coming. And we'll have some fun. She's inside, bro. And we are come to Man Cave. So we wanted to play some pool. So this was the only place we have in Panjim to play pool and FIFA. So we're gonna have a great session over here. We started a new game. We were playing duels with some other folks, but now we got our own table. And he gladly finished pool. We had a quick game of FIFA, and now we have come to our second place, Sweet Nation. Shut up, man. You'll do 10 squats if you say her name again.
I don't miss anyone, bitch.
So guys, today we are all veg. So we are come to eat veg food.
Bobby
It's
must
either
have eaten
chole,
chicken.
bhature. He has to interrupt the
Bobby
vlog.
is eating chicken.
You're eating chicken, bro? Nah.
Yeah. And which kind of dahi puri?
दो राज
Come on, man.
रगड़ा पैटिस और
Which
एक what?
You're having Raj Kachori?
Yeah.
We'll take one. You'll share dahi puri. All of us will have.
We can do that.
Take dahi puri with it. So Sakshi.
Bro, this is a dahi puri.
Yeah.
See, this is called
What's
the Raj
this?
Kachori, guys. Available only at Sweet Nation. So guys, we're going to taste the Shiv Puri.
See this babe there. Show me what you're drinking. Sorry. Dika. Dika re pagal. So come here inside.
Have some. Ha, thank you.
Don't give. It's a pound
But this is not Bombay, bro.
Arey,
Guys,
pata hai
they
ye
wanted
pounds
the
mein.
ragda pattis.
In Bombay they give. Yeah, this is like prison meal, bro. Called Elton 6 times. If he doesn't pick up now, I'm gonna block him.
No speaker.
Dude, he's awesome.
Block.
I'm generally blocking him.
Vegan just went all out.
Go bang it. Bang. Thicker the better.
Guys, Bobby's going for the taste test.
Good?
What are you with the chole, bro?
I'll do it with the chole.
So guys, Ori technique said that he won't eat it.
Fuck the diet, bro.
He had no words. Test of the chole bhature.
pretty decent. I don't have the chana. It's good.
So guys, we're done with our snacks. So now Ori came up with an amazing idea. Why don't we just start walking and find out all the places which are open where we can eat something nice. Panjim City, we are coming on the streets, just loitering around. And the boys are just
Chillin'.
We found this cute guy.
Want Ray? You want? You want egg? Eat Ray.
He doesn't like protein. He's veg.
We have Simba over here. Cute little
Scotch.
doggy. What a cute
miss
little
my
dog. I
dog,
miss
dude.
Scotch, man.
I miss my dog,
Scotch.
dude.
Where? Whose keys?
Oh shit.
Elton's money, man.
For some reason, Ori wants to have matcha.
I need a matcha, dude.
And he's getting me to Momoka. For real? You want one?
Yeah, obviously, go.
We got the iced coffee jelly latte.
Hope it doesn't
And
have a lot of calories, Ray.
Keegan got the
Matcha mango. Bad girl. This is what
Matcha.
What is girls on Instagram.
mango matcha. We quickly went home, we changed, and now we are back at the turf. At the court. Just yesterday, me and Alistair were here with Ricky, but I wasn't vlogging yesterday. Alistair was, but today I'm going to do his role. I'm going to vlog. And so Keegan's not going to play much, so he's going to take a lot of BTS for us. So that'll be at a good plus point for me, because I'm going to get extra footage. And let's see how I can beat Ori. He's been playing this for a pretty long time because he goes to Anjuna and practices. Sick. We finished the game. I dropped Bobby and back home. So this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Ori had an amazing day.
Bye, guys.
And
Nice meeting you.
we're ending it over here. So see you guys in the next episode.